Hey, Klaus here, e-commerce business coach. In this video, I'm going to talk about the biggest mistake that I see most e-commerce store owners do with their email marketing. So let's dive right into it. So what's the biggest mistake that most e-commerce store owners do? Now, I'm dealing with a lot of e-commerce store owners every day, see a lot of sites, sign up for a lot of email marketing tools and sign up for a lot of newsletters just to see what they do. Now, the biggest mistake is very straightforward. They're not mailing enough. And I mean, you wonder, say, yeah, but people get so many emails. Now, literally, some of my clients, when I start working with them, they're sending out an email a week, every 2 weeks. Some of them once a month, and they only have one abandoned cart email flow with 1 or 2 or 3 emails. So that's by far not enough to get enough business through the door. Always remember that a lot of people, even if they receive an email from you, they might just not see it because their inbox is full. They might skip it. They might not have the time in the moment to read your email, and then they forget about it, and so on and so forth. So what I recommend to my clients is to send at least 3 times a week a campaign, for instance, through Klaviyo, to their subscribers. Now, most common question there is, yeah, but I don't have enough content. It's actually quite easy. So you should have 3 pillars for your emails. So if you, for instance, want to mail 3 times a week, the first email can be a email about how-to documentation, explain your product, something like that. So really like content around the product. The second one can be just a plain testimonial. So what our clients say, a review, a customer video, whatsoever. So everything about building trust and showing that you're a legitimate company and that your customers are happy. And the third email then can be a bit more salesy, where you basically then have a product that you have on sale and a special, a bonus discount, whatsoever. So that should be your sales email. Now, most importantly, for all of these 3 emails, you want to have one call to action only. So for the first one, it might be, if it's content-wise, that you want to have them going to your blog or sign up for your YouTube channel or following you on Instagram, something like that. So that might be one call to action. For the testimonials, sort of the same. You might want to get them to the overview of all testimonials that you have on your website. And obviously for the third one, where you sell something, you want to send them to the product. I'm specifically saying to the product and not to product. So don't put too many calls to actions in there, just distracts. You want to have them focused, send them to either the one product per sales email or to one collection, and that's about it. Now, also with automation, also people are not sending enough. A lot of people I see, the setup is basically the bare minimum. They are sending an order confirmation email and they have a flow or an automation that does the abandoned cart sequence. And that's pretty much it. So there you should have automations in there that are sunset campaigns, also known as win-back campaigns or re-engagement campaigns, where you mail people who have not bought from you in the last 30, 60, 90 days, just to get them back to your store to buy more from you. Klaviyo has a very nice feature which has a prediction in there. So it's artificial intelligence, where the system automatically, from the data that you have in your store, tries to predict when people are ready to buy from you again. Then beside of abandoned cart, you want to have abandoned checkout, abandoned browse flows there, and so on and so forth. So best case scenario, your standard and your Klaviyo system should have about 10, 12, 16 different flows, automations that run 24/7 on autopilot and send out mails and SMS to your clients at any point of time. And then one little expert tip when you're sending out campaigns, means manual mail shots, manual campaigns, 1 of the 3 per week. Once you send up the first one, so let's say you send out your sales campaign for your product on a Friday, give it 24 hours, 48 hours, and then create a segment on all the people who did not open this email, It's very easy to do a segment and clay view. And then you send out exactly the same email, maybe with a different subject line, to everyone who has not opened this campaign in the last 24 or 48 hours. That will give you another boost. A lot of people did not see your first email, were not interested in the subject line, didn't have the time. Now, 24, 48 hours later, they're getting the same email. Things might have completely changed and they will buy from you. Makes me money each and every time in my own store. So I hope you got something out of this in regards of what to do with your email marketing. If you like the video, I'm posting videos every week. Just subscribe, like, and hit the alarm button to get notified. And other than that, have a great day and see you soon.